passengers across the country and across the world as well were affected because of this outage. Let's go across to my colleagues Gajraj joining us from Jaipur Airport, Arunil joining us from the Mumbai Airport, and Pinky joining us from Bengaluru. Gajraj, what is the situation there? Indigo, SpiceJet, all airlines taking to Twitter to inform that because of the global outage, their services have also been impacted. How have the passengers been affected because of this?
See, passengers have been, standing at this particular counter of Indigo, and they were, we have a few passengers with us who were taken the flight to Hyderabad, and they have paid the amount of nearly 11,000 rupees, and still now their ticket has not been confirmed by the airlines, and the airlines has no answer to the same as well. There's just one reply that server is down, so they have no clear response from the airlines as well. टिकट का आपका फाइनेंशियल कितने का
11,800.
कितने बजे की फ्लाइट थी?
5:30 PM.
अभी क्या स्टेटस बता रहे हैं फ्लाइट का?
They have no idea as to what to do as their server is down.
क्या स्टेटस बता रहे हैं?
They have no idea what to do because their server is down and it is a worldwide issue. So airlines can't help us.
Well, your money has been already debited.
Yeah, money has been debited. So, but we have to initiate. Either we can initiate a refund or we can wait for the server to come out.
Are they offering a refund?
Yeah, they are like if you are not able to board the flight today because of the server issues, we will initiate the refund.
We have we have the passengers stranded at this Indigo counter seeking response from the airlines over the whether the flight will take off from this Jaipur International Airport or whether they will get the refund or no. We'll try and also speak to a female passenger here who's also stranded at this Indigo counter.
हेलो
मैम, क्या जवाब है एयरलाइंस का?
या फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, यहाँ से हैदराबाद. हाँ, just show him.
What do you want to see?
What do you want to see actually? टिकट जनरेट नहीं हुआ, दे कट द मनी. जस्ट नाउ वी बुक.
अरे माइक तो चलाओ.
वी कांट हियर यू मैम. माइक ये ऑन कीजिए माइक आपका.
सुनाई नहीं.
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
कैन यू सी द टिकट्स दे हैव टेकन मनी?
क्या बताया, कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है मैम इनका?
They're checking.
See, systems, these people at the Indigo counters
Okay.
are checking the system right now for the confirmation for the ticket.
We booked just now the ticket. If they have like seat, then only they ask us to pay the money. Okay. If they don't have seat, they won't ask. We paid. They have cut the money, and now they are telling it is an error. So just I am requesting if it is possible to give me a seat by manual so I can travel. Just I am requesting if it is any possibility because my husband is in ICU.
क्या स्टेटस है इनके टिकट का? क्या स्टेटस है अभी? क्या रिस्पॉन्स? सिस्टम डाउन है आपका?
अरे तो ये
मैम, सिस्टम डाउन है आपका अभी?
हाँ जी सर.
क्या इशू क्या आ रहा है? मतलब कि इन एयरलाइंस की तरफ से कोई सेटिस्फैक्टरी रिस्पॉन्स?
I am not the authorized person to speak. I am really sorry.
ऑथराइज्ड टू स्पीक टू देम to the passengers ना? They're
Okay,
seeking
so we can
answers.
see a lot of confusion there, Gajraj. Clearly, the passengers are not being given answers on what should they do next. A lot of passengers left in the lurch. They are in the airport. They were scheduled to leave, but because of the outage, the airlines also are not sure on how to deal with the situation yet. Arunil, some of the airlines have also issued handwritten boarding passes to the passengers. What's the situation in the Mumbai airport? It's one of the busiest airports in the entire country. Several passengers that we're seeing in Jaipur airport as well. Passengers arriving there, and the airlines also not equipped to deal with the situation because they're also not sure how to ensure that they can sail through this technicality.
Well, Pratibha, inarguably the busiest airport in India at present. I'm reporting from the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, that is the Mumbai airport. The situation slowly is returning to normalcy because we have been reporting from here since the last 90 minutes. It was chaotic in the start because the authorities had no idea. The officials from the airline companies also had no idea how to basically give those handwritten check-ins, check-in tickets or to do the baggage check-in manually. Now it seems like the situation has been brought under control. Now, also, I was speaking to one of the senior officers from an airline company inside. They say that the queue that could be seen inside at the check-in counters, that has also significantly reduced now. The airline companies basically have communicated to their passengers to come an hour ago. Like earlier they had to report around 2 hours ago. Now they have to report around 3 hours ago, because it is taking significantly higher time because of the manual check-ins that the officials have to undertake. Not only airport, like this is not only about Mumbai airport, Pratibha. We all know that almost around 80% of the airports globally, which basically use the services of Microsoft Cloud services, they have been disrupted, and also several other services as well. Several banking institutions have also been affected. However, the SBI chairman Dinesh Kumar Khara, he has given out a statement saying that State Bank of India's online systems have not been affected because of this Microsoft fiasco.
Okay, all right. So banks have also been affected. What more do we know about this bank outage as well? We'll speak about that. But Pinky, is the situation the same in Bengaluru airport as well? Because the Bengaluru airport had also taken to its official Twitter account to say that services have been affected of several airlines.
Well, with this massive global outage, yes, this is what the scenes, in fact, we see at Bengaluru airport. What we saw, a chaotic environment an hour ago, but right now things seem to be getting back to track with, airlines clearly informing the passengers to come early before their departure time. And also, inside scenes does show there is a lot of, queue outside the Indigo counter. What we can tell you right now is that even departures, which basically has Indigo, Akasa and SpiceJet, wherein Air India Express, that is at T2, has been impacted badly. But right now manual check-ins are happening, and that's the reason what we see inside is the queue outside the counters, and a large queue, in fact, passengers waiting from an hour right now for their manual check-in, where the airline employees are also trying to cooperate with this crowd, and they are trying to make them understand that because of this outage, the services are not working. But clearly outside right now, the scenes seem to be normal. But inside, yes, heavy crowd, long queue is what we are being witnessed here. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Well, these are reports from right outside the airport. My colleague Tejshri also filed this exclusive report from inside the Delhi airport. Take a look at what the situation is.
Passengers who have been standing over here since hours, and that is why they are facing the issue. And in fact, not just here, but this particular scenario you can see at each and every airline. And in fact, people have been waiting over here since hours because there is no check-in being done via online portal. So what have you been told from the authorities?
The system is not working, it's very slow, and the only thing they are telling the system is very slow.
The system is very
slow. Waiting, they're just checking out our cards. And
so where you have to go?
We have to go to Muscat only have to go.
Okay.
But there are a few passengers who have to go to other connecting flights.
Okay. Let us also speak to a few other passengers who have been waiting in the queue. Sir, where you have to go? What is your destination?
Flying from Delhi to Muscat.
Okay. And still, are you facing the issue for a smooth check-in?
I think, like me, all the other passengers are also in the similar shoe. What I have been told is that it's a system error experienced throughout the world, not just Delhi.
Yes.
Of course, there is no way to verify, but I hope that is true.
So how long you have been waiting here, and what you have been told by the authorities?
Just that it's a system failure and everything is being administered manually.
All right. So passengers are being told that there's a system failure and that everything is being, administered manually, and also that is why people have to wait over here in long queues. Several passengers are, facing this issue, and in fact, this is not only situation in the national capital but overall world as well, because the servers of Microsoft crashed.
टिकट नहीं मिल रहा है, बोल रहा है कि सर्वर डाउन है, परेशान है हम लोग. बच्चे लोग को बंगलौर के लिए है, तो बच्चे को
ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल हो रहा है या नहीं?
नहीं, ऑनलाइन भी नहीं हो रहा. यहाँ के काउंटर पर मिल जाएगा, ये है वो है. फिर आए यहाँ पर तो कहता है कि नहीं, सर्वर डाउन है. सर्वर डाउन बोल रहा है, क्या कहा जाएगा.